Yo guys, I just got frauded on my account on Capitec. Some legal cover is charging me 420 Rand without me accepting a mandate, and it was automatically accepted. But only with Capitec. How is that possible? I've never experienced a problem with any bank, and I'm using ATM card since I'm maybe 15 or 16 years old. That's the first time things like this is happening. Oh, I expect this from overseas markets, not us markets. Yo guys, it came as a shock. So now I need to go into the bank to suspend this. I'm gonna leave this Capitec card like that and go open FNB. Really, I have to. Because with FNB, it's simple and straightforward. You call them, they send you to the appropriate department that knows what they're doing, whereas Capitec doesn't know what they're doing since the time they opened. They're so lackadaisical. It's, I'm not gonna say even not fair or irritating or stupid. What I will say, they make the bank irrelevant. When now, I'm never going to be a client of Capitec or what they offer. I wish there was a bank that had no fees, no charges, but then they're gonna say, how are the banks going to make money? It's catch-22 with everything, eh? We have to work our way around it. We have to work our way around it. You know what I'm thinking of? I'm actually thinking of the time when I went with my brothers to Sun City and we went to Valley of the Waves there, and there was a slide, but how the slide worked was you get into a tube and it pushes you down and up and down and up until the speed decreases and then you go down. It's actually quite nice. It's amazing. Temple of Courage, the donut ride. There's new renovations that I haven't seen that have been renovated years ago. I haven't been to Sun City in years. Video. Yeah.
I'm telling them about your experience with Capitec.
What must I talk about? YouTube is all about talking. You can't pause.
You must always remember, you speak to somebody the way you'd like to be spoken to.
I know that.
But you are rude.
I also know that.
Why is this carpet so wet?
That's because I was showering last night. I was showering last.
No, this carpet here on the fridge.
Oh, that I don't know. Hey. I'm rude. I promise you, I have no idea. Nobody came in. Yeah, Abdullah never come in to give. To take the food. I don't know. Where's my lighter? Got my lighter. Got my lighter.